Hello beautiful, welcome to my channel. My name is Joany and you're probably wondering why she dressed like she's going out. Well, it's because I am. Some of the clubs are open. We like to kind of go out to some of the casinos here in the Gulf Coast, have really good live bands, and I am ready to dance. And I thought maybe what I could do, because I haven't done the club series, is do a series, well this one especially, on the Hagalla, the Egyptian walk that we practice, and add some figure eight. So get into something comfortable. If you want to put your jeans on that has some stretch, or dress, feel like you're going clubbing, because I know that it's not everywhere. We still have some lockdowns here and there, but let's put our faith onto that eventually you're going to be able to go clubbing soon. But in the meanwhile, let's practice. All right, so this won't be a very long video practice, but I do want you to take what I'm teaching you and use it to other songs. So this song is a pop song. It's not something that it's something that I have license to, so it's not something you hear at the clubs, but you would hear the same kind of pop beat and stuff like that. So it has all the same elements of what you would go when you go out. So we're gonna go and do a little review right now. We're gonna go and drop the right hip down and then left. Now I want you to add a little twist, twist, twist. Notice that I'm kind of rolling from the ball to the heel. So I'm twisting, my legs are straight, not lock, but a little soft, but then I'm twisting my right hip and bending that knee. The left leg will be straight all the way back. So you have a twist here, and then you're gonna straighten and then twist. Twist, so I'm still using a twist and a drop. You wanna drop the hip. So it's not all the way down vertically. There's a twist, and then you're dropping vertically. Twist and drop. It's going in a diagonal. So you remember your Hagalla. And then you could go slow. So we could go on the beat. 1, 1, like 2, 3, 4. Or you could double that on one side. 1, 2, 1, 2. You could slow it down. Or you could add that hip drop. 1 and 2. Drop and drop. So don't forget, you're going to drop, lift a little bit, and then drop again. Twist, drop and drop, drop and drop, drop and drop. So I'm doing this all on the spot, but you could walk it a little bit. And again, this is still a advanced movement. So be kind to yourself. And then if it's just too much to go, oh, 2 drops, you just flex the knee and switch, flex the knee and switch. Flex the knee and switch. I want to make sure you see my feet. So one knee flex, the other one straight towards the back. Da, da, da. So this is kind of the Egyptian walk. Okay, and then when you twist a little bit more, that's when it becomes more of the Hagalla, which is just a style. Okay. So more of an oscillation, boom, 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 twist, twist, and add a little drop. So we got this. And then again, if you want to double it up, I might be doing a double. Go at the convenience of what your body is capable of doing. If you're locking up, it's like you're thinking too much, just go back to what feels natural. Now we're going to go and do a figure eight. I'm just going to review the figure eight, which is just a twist. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to put some music on and follow me. All right, let's start with the legs straight. We're going to wait for the music. We're going to start doing hip drop, double count. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Add a twist, twist. Now figure eight, slow. Horizontal, So don't be afraid to kind of caress your beautiful body. Put your hands, I usually rub my wrist against my thighs. So I'm not going a bit faster, following the beat. Back to that Hagalla. So I'm just going drop, twist, 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 drop. I'm really twisting. Go in a circle with that. Soft knees. Twist, drop, twist, twist. Go the other way. And I'm usually on the ball of my feet. I'm going ball, heel, ball, heel. Figure eight again, nice and slow. Take your time, enjoy the music, feel the music. It's all about feeling it. Drop the hips. So you could, because this is clubbing, you could bring your feet a little bit, their legs a bit more apart, and add the twist. Drop the hip. Hip drop, hip drop. So notice I have one knee flexed and the other one straight back. So I'm still doing that, kind of the Egyptian walk, the hip twist, but in place. Pop, pop. Let's bring our feet together. Get that hip twist, hip drop. Figure it, slow. Twist, drop, and drop. So how did you do? So again, be gentle on yourself. If you just want to do this, go ahead. Once you kind of just feel the beat, and then when it kind of, when it was a little bit more melodic, or it was more slow, this is when you could do your fluid movement, your figure eight, slow it down. And again, like I told you, like I said in the beginning, that I do incorporate a lot of my belly dancing when I go out, but I really modify it so it doesn't look so like I'm gonna pop Egyptian costume out and start doing my belly dance. No, I really do modify it. But man, do I love to move my pelvis when I go out. It's just so natural for me. It's like I become the instrument, whether it be the drum or the guitar. I just become one with the instrument. So, but again, it took me many, many years to feel to incorporate these movements and to make myself so comfortable on the dance floor. Yeah, so that's what I'm wishing for you, and this is why I'm here for you, so you could feel the same way. I just get lost, and it's just so much fun when in that zone. I think that's it. I thank you for dancing with me, and I'll see you in the next video, and keep dancing.